Thanks for tuning into the channel and watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Write any comments down in the bottom, always appreciated, and thanks again for watching. Equipment. Equipment. Equipment is a noun. The verb form of equipment is the verb to equip. Meaning, the tools, the machines, clothing, or other things that you need to do a particular job or activity. Here are some example sentences. Sailors have special equipment to help them navigate. Accidents can happen due to failure of safety equipment. A computer is the most important piece of equipment that you will buy. Let's have a look at some combinations. First, we will look at the adjectives plus word equipment. There are literally hundreds of adjectives that you can use with the word equipment. Here are some of the most commonly used adjectives. To talk about the age of equipment, we can use the adjectives the latest, modern, state-of-the-art, or up-to-date equipment. We can describe equipment as being sensitive or heavy or portable. We can have basic or standard equipment. We could also use essential, necessary or vital equipment when the piece of equipment is very important. Let's have a look at some sample sentences. They supply us with the latest equipment. The oil company will ship out the heavy equipment. Hospitals use a lot of vital equipment. Let's have a look at some verb and equipment combinations. And again, there are many verbs that can be used with the word equipment. Here are two lists of some of the most common used. So we can use buy or purchase. We can sell equipment. We can provide or supply equipment. And of course, we can use equipment. Let's have a look at some sample sentences. The hospital has set up a special fund to buy new equipment. He sold all his camping equipment. We need a company to supply equipment on a monthly basis. We used specialised equipment at our company. Let's have a look at some more verb and equipment combinations. So you can install equipment, normally when the equipment is new. You can upgrade equipment when it needs bringing up to date. You also need to operate equipment, and to make sure things are operating correctly, you need test equipment. And you always need or require equipment. Here are some sample sentences with these verbs being used. We have to install the equipment before we can use it. We shall upgrade the equipment to the latest model. To make sure the product works, we require some test equipment. Let's have a look at some combinations with the word equipment plus a verb. The most popular equipment plus verb combination is to consist of. So consist of something. And how we use this is to say something like the basic equipment consists of a plastic mask and a length of rope. The final combination we will look at here is the prepositions. There's really only one major preposition that goes with equipment, and that's the for. Here's a sentence. High-tech equipment for keeping the temperature steady. So remember, for more interactive learning, quizzes and games, go to www.derekreddy.de. Thanks again for your support.